Hi guys, welcome to another session in Tableau. In this video, let us learn about dual maps. So what are dual maps? How to build the dual maps? Let us learn in this video. For that, first I am taking country map. Here, to get the individual maps, what we have done? We brought either latitude or longitude from the measure shelf and just place it next to the existing latitude or longitude column here. Here I have taken latitude, that's why I am placing next to the latitude. If you are taking either latitude or longitude and you are placing on the opposite part, that means next to the longitude if you are placing latitude or next to the latitude if you are placing longitude, then you won't get the maps. That's why whatever you are choosing, here I have taken, that's why here I have taken latitude and placed next to the existing latitude in the row shelf. Let me take it out. Instead of this, if you want to bring longitude, just bring the longitude and place it under columns. See, the view how you are showing the map will change based on placing it either in rows or column shelf. Now for the best visualization, I am taking latitude and placing next to the rows. So the view will be divided like this. Now this is the individual map. Then now how to convert this to a dual map? What we have done in case of dual axis? Just right click on the second measure and select the option dual axis. Here right click on the second latitude and select the option dual axis. Now till this part we haven't taken any measure into the view. See here, for each latitude we have taken separate marks card is generated. So here with the symbols you are clear that both are representing using symbol maps only. So for that, the first one is with the symbol map. In the second one I am converting this to a field map. Then how to convert it to a field map? Either we can use the measure and drop it into the color, or else just go to this drop down in the marks card. Here you are able to see this map, right? Just select this map. This is how you will get the field map. But all the entire map, whatever the countries you are representing, all the countries are coming in one color only. Now start taking measures into the view. First I am taking profit and I am placing in under color. Why? Because we are using this metric measure under field map. See, now we have taken sum of profit and placed under color. So the higher in the profit, the thick in color. That is what we are getting here. United States is giving highest profit, that's why you are getting green color. The lighter color, even these ones you are getting light orange, means here you are getting negative values. That means losses, wherever you are getting losses, you are getting this red color. Now I am going to the second marks card. Here under second marks card, what I am doing here is I am taking sales to the size. See, even after applying some sales to the size, we are unable to see it clearly, right? Even let me add sales to the color also. Even then we are unable to see it properly. Why? Because field map is in the front view, whereas this circle symbol map is behind this field map. That's why you are unable to see it clearly. Then how to bring that to the front? Just interchange these latitudes in between them. See, now you are bringing this field symbol map to the front and field map to the back. Even here also the marks cards representation got changed. Let me press Ctrl Z. Here earlier you got this symbol map marks card first and filled map marks card next. When I'm interchanging these two, see now here also filled map comes to first place. Now see, we have taken sales into color and even sales into size. Here the representation what we are using here, this is a circle representation, filled circle. Here what I am doing is, instead of this circle, I am taking a pie chart. So I am taking a pie chart. When you are taking a pie chart, you need to show the portions of representation. That means I am bringing color category to the color shelf. So what happens when you bring category to the color shelf? See, the pie chart means even when you are adding sales to the size means based on the sale values in between the category, you are getting the size. You are able to see this, right? These proportions. If you observe here, in this country, in China, this furniture is giving us the higher sales when compared to these other two categories. If you observe in other countries, even in Germany, this furniture is giving us less sales compared to this representation. Here the portion is bigger, right? So this is how you can. Hello. ఏంటన్నా నేనే ఏమైంది?
అసలు నేను మధ్యాహ్నం చేసిన ఎత్తలేదు, ఇందాక ఇప్పటికి 3-4 సార్లు చేసిన ఎత్తలేదు. కంగారు ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటున్నావు?
ఎందుకు కంగారే? ఎందుకుంటది? ఏముంటది అసలు కంగారు? నేనేదో వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నా అని, నేను కట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మనిషి కట్ చేస్తుంది అంటే ఏదో పనిలో ఉందని అర్థం కదా. నీ మొహం అర్థం కాదు.
ఎపిసోడ్ నుంచే మంచి స్పందన లభిస్తోంది. ఈ సీరియల్లో ఆర్య అనుకి ప్రపోజ్ చేసే క్షణం కోసం సీరియల్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ చాలా ఈగర్ గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఆర్య అనుకి ప్రపోజ్ చేసే సీన్స్ ని రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీలో షూట్ చేస్తున్నారు. షూట్ క్యాంప్ లో ఉన్న అన్సీన్ వీడియోస్ ని ఆర్య తన సోషల్ మీడియాలో షేర్ చేశాడు. ఈ వీడియోస్ ని చూసిన వారంతా ఈ ఎపిసోడ్ కోసం ఎప్పటి నుంచో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఈగర్లీ వెయిటింగ్ అంటూ
Even to make it visibly appealing, what I'm doing here is I'm going to this field map. In the colors, I'm changing these colors to, see, some gray. Now see the map. So this is how you will perform dual maps. And just like in the normal case how you have taken dual maps even with 2 more measures, like that you can build maps in this case also. Again bring another latitude. Now the process is same. Convert it to dual axis. The first one is the symbol map and the second one is the filled map. Here what I am taking in the first map is the order ID I am taking. Order ID into size. Even order ID to the color. Just go to the second marks card, bring customer ID directly to the color. This is the field map, right? So no need to bring it to the, see. Now again to visible that symbols to the front, just interchange between them, just change it to change the colors, just edit these colors to some other color. As we are having blue, let us take gold and purple. Even this is also not visible clearly. Orange and gold, let us take orange and gold. Now see, this is how we build the dual maps. Thank you guys.